Hello students, before this we have studied about coil, what is coil and how do we get coil. After that I have given you in text form that what are the uses of coil and the types of coil. Now today we will study about the destructive distillation. So first of all, what is destructive distillation? The destructive distillation is the heating of coil in the absence of air. Means we have to heat the we have to heat the coil without the air, and after that it will be converted into different products. And what are that products? What is the use of that product? We have to study that today. So first of all, you have to see this diagram. In this diagram you can see it is the same diagram as it is made in your book. If you open your book and the topic destructive distillation and the activity, it is given, this diagram is given. So we have to study this for destructive distillation. So here you will see, here is coil potent, and it is called Bunsen burner, that is used to heat the boiling tube. So when it is heating the boiling tube, some of the amount of the coil is transferred from this pipe. From this it transferred here and it goes down. So when it goes down, some of the products in destructive distillation, the coil is converted into other products. In those other products there is some solids extracts, some liquid extracts, or maybe some gases extracts also. It can be in all the three forms. So when the coil is heated, it goes to the boiling tube B, and in that B, here it is some semi-liquid and some liquid, and the remaining is released in the form of gas. So now what are these products we have to study, and what are the uses of that? So first one is powdered coil. Powdered coil, or we can say coke. When destructive distillation occurs, the residue of the coil, the residue that is remaining in the boiling tube A, that is called powdered coil or the coke. That is mainly used for the industrial purpose as a fuel. It is used in industries, factories in the form of fuel, or it can be used for iron extraction. Iron extraction means when we are taking out iron and iron ore, and then after we have to furnace the iron, separate iron, then we are using this coke or this powdered coil. Okay, so this was the first use of the coil or the first product. After that, the second one is coil tar. Here you can see in this boiling tube there is liquid, and below this liquid at the bottom there is semi-liquid, the mixture of liquid and solid, not completely solid, not completely liquid, and that is called coal tar. If you have observed, when the roads are being made, in that there is a black colored structure used, black colored substance is used for mixing up the gravels, and that is coal tar. So that is coal tar, and this coal tar is used for many purposes, for the production of benzene and phenol, and now it is being replaced because of petroleum. Now benzene can be taken from the petroleum, not from the coal tar. Okay, and now coal tar is being used for making roads. After that, it is ammoniacal liquor. So ammoniacal liquor, this one, the complete liquid part in destructive distillation is called ammoniacal liquor. Why it is called ammoniacal liquor? Because it is comprised of only ammonia. In this there is only ammonia compound, that's why it is called ammoniacal liquor, and this is used for making the fertilizers, chemical fertilizers in the factories. So I think these 3 points are clear. Now we have got solid, semi-solid, now the liquid, and after that what is remaining? Gas. This gas is called coal gas. Why it is called coal? Not why. What is the use of coal gas? In this coal gas, the gas that is released after destructive distillation was used as a fuel. But nowadays it is replaced because of natural gases. Before this, when coal gas was used, it was a mixture of carbon dioxide, methane, and many other gases. But nowadays, because of the pollution, it creates some pollution. That's why it is being replaced by natural gases. So I think all the 4 points are clear to you. First one is coke, then coal tar, ammonical liquor, and coal gas. Okay. So this diagram you have to draw in your copy in the blank side, and you have to label it also. Okay. Next topic is our petroleum. Coal is now finished. Now our next topic is petroleum, that we will study in our next lesson. Thank you, class.